Hi, this is BrickTsar, and here we have one of my favorite sets, the Motorized Bulldozer, set 8275, Technic Power Functions set. Has a couple of motors, a couple of receivers, so you can not only control it going backwards, forwards, and turning, you can also control the lifting of the front and of the back of this thing. So it's actually got 4 total motors, 2 big motors and 2 smaller motors. So it's really a neat set, and it shows you here the different things. It can go straight, turn, that can go up and down, the back can go up and down. The remote controlled power ripper, the remote controlled power blade, and remote controlled driving and steering. It uses infrared, which is pretty much, you need line of sight, but I'm going to put some batteries in it. And I would say one of the only things I don't like about this set, I'll just go ahead and say it now, is I don't like the Technic Power Functions battery boxes. They usually put them in a hard place to get to, and it's hard to get the batteries out of those. But other than that, I like the set. It's got the little working pistons here on the motor, and that you can remote control it and drive it is real neat, and we're going to do that here in just a minute. But compare it to the late 1970s version, there's really no comparison. And I really do like this set, but I like this one better, the Motorized Technic Bulldozer. So we're going to put this thing in operation. Alright, it's time for a Lego battle. In this corner, we have the classic Technic Bulldozer, and in this corner, we have the modern Motorized Technic Bulldozer. Now, before we get started, okay, yeah. Yeah, it is yours. Before we get started, do we have any favorites? Who do we think may win? Will it be that one, 8275, or 856? Now I'll set the camera here in the middle of the field. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. Wait a minute. Here I come. Oh! My cord's only so long. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I've lost power. Push.
Watch this.
What are you doing? Whoa! Let's reattach the power. It's the end of round 1. Alright, let's go at it one more time. No, I'm going to knock you off the table.
Oh,
yours won't even go.
Yeah.
Whoa, don't go that way.
Come on, go.
No. Alright, here we go.
Backing up for a reader.
Now, I think there's no question which one's more powerful. cord here. Oh, that door. See it? No.
I know it's on. Ah!
Uh-oh.
Beat that.
Having technical difficulties here. Technical difficulties.
Yeah.
Alright. See if you can push it. Oh boy.
See if we can push mine.
It's not going to work.
This is true.
Whoa!
Huh, what a wire. Time to finish it. Push it off the table.
No, don't do it.
I'm not. I would never do that.
And the winner. Come do your victory spin.
Woohoo! Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Whoa.
It's gone down too far. There you go.
Oh.
Spin it. Yeah, there you go.
Woohoo!
All right.
Woohoo! Do the moonwalk.
The most powerful Lego bulldozer